DALEVANA CO.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with another unboxing, and this time it comes courtesy of DALEVANA Company Home. And yes, this company reached out to me and they wanted me to do an unboxing for my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, you probably should. And turn your notification bells on, okay? Because over here it's all about free things, affordable things, exciting things like the ones that are inside of this box. So DALEVANA has these candles, okay? So they have a monthly subscription for candles. Yes. Finally, something out there for someone like me that loves candles, and I know you guys do too, and I know you're excited to see what is inside here. So I will have all the information across the screen, okay? And the website is DALEVANAandCompany.com, where you guys can go and sign up. And they have three different type of subscription boxes. You have the Sapphire, and the Sapphire box is $16 a month. Next one you have is the Pearl box, and this one is $23 a month. And then the last one is $28 a month, and that is for the Scarlet box. So guys, yeah, it is so exciting. All the things that you guys can find is all right here at DALEVANA Home. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let's see what's inside. So, oh yeah, and another thing, when this came, okay, first of all, it arrived super fast, and then it has all of this pretty cushioning in here. Yes, to keep your candle safe from any possible damage. Oh, okay, I knew I was getting a candle, but I didn't expect it to come in this cute little velvet bag. That is really nice. It's so cute. I actually have a mini version of this that I keep my crystals in. So, yes, perfect. So, okay. So this is a hand-poured soy candle. Let's see, can you guys see? Yeah, there we go. Hand-poured soy candle. It is very pretty. And it comes with this. I love to have a top on mine so I can keep them like this when I'm not using it. And now, most importantly, I gotta smell it. Oh, that smells so good. It just smells like home, okay? It is such a beautiful scent. Yeah, it is such a beautiful scent. I have all that information for you guys. Oh my goodness. It smells so freaking good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good, and it is so pretty. Now, I gotta light this, okay? I have to light this and see how strong that scent is. Oh, it smells so good. I literally cannot stop breathing this in. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, and it looks perfect next to my flower. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. So if you guys are interested in signing up for DALEVANA's monthly subscription for candles, then I have the information down below for you guys in the description box, as well as pinned in the comments. And also, this is something that is important for those who are not interested in getting signed up for a monthly subscription. You can make a one-time purchase, okay? So you can make a one-time purchase of any of the subscription options that they have available. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn your notification bells on, because there will be more candles, okay? There will be more candles like this coming from DALEVANA, and you guys can check out my other videos as well, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye!